In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message that says, "The application-specific permission settings do not grant local activation permission for the QOM server." This usually happens when a program on your computer is trying to access something it doesn't have permission for. First, let's open the Component Services tool. Click on the search icon near the Start button and type DCOMCNFG. That's spelled DCOMCNFG. You should see a result called Component Services. Click on it to open. On the left side, double-click on Component Services, then double-click on Computers. After that, right-click on My Computer and choose Properties. In the new window, click on the Default Properties tab. Now make sure the box that says Enable Distributed COM on this computer is checked. If it's not checked, click the box to turn it on. Now, go to the QOM Security tab. Under Access Permissions, look for the section that says Edit Limits. Click on that. In the list that appears, scroll down until you see Anonymous Logon. Make sure both local access and remote access are set to allow. Click OK when you're done, then click Apply and OK to save everything. You can now close the Component Services window. Next, we need to go into the registry to fix the permissions for the specific COM application. Click the search icon again and type Regedit. You'll see Registry Editor appear in the results. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a message pops up asking for permission, click Yes. Before we make any changes in the registry, we should back it up. In the Registry Editor, click File at the top, then click Export. Choose a name for the file, like today's date. Set Export Range to All and save the file somewhere you can find it easily. This is just in case something goes wrong later and you want to undo the changes. To move on, go to the top bar in the Registry Editor and paste the registry path I provided in the video description. You can right-click and paste or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Then hit Enter. When the correct folder opens, right-click on it and choose Permissions. Click the Advanced button. In the new window that opens, click where it says Change next to Owner. Another window will appear. Click Advanced again, then click Find Now. A list will appear at the bottom. Find and select your user account name from the list. Then click OK. Click OK again to confirm. Now check the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Click Apply, then click OK. Click OK one more time to exit the Permissions window. Close the Registry Editor. Now restart your computer to apply all the changes. After your system starts up again, the error should be fixed, and you should no longer see that message. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it helped you solve the problem.